all SAP clients currently have a very clearly defined mobile strategy?
That wouldn't chime with my experience of many of the clients we speak to. I think everyone's talking about mobility. They're also talking about those other disruptive technologies, and many of them are rolling that into their overall enterprise strategy. So mobility is one of those pillars. But I think there's still lots of talking, yeah, and some doing. And I think it's also something you don't necessarily have to eat in one huge bite. You know, I think if you've got specific use cases that you can, you know, dip your toe in the water, mobilise these use cases, and then, you know, learn from that. So the kind of a do, learn, do paradigm fits quite well with mobility.
Yeah, I fully agree. I think there is a lot of talk about mobility strategy, and I think it's just the complex nature of mobility combined with the pace of change in mobility that makes it very difficult for somebody to define, like, this is my mobility strategy for all the applications in my enterprise. But I think discussion is still important, but the strategy could still be like, we will look at individual use cases and we will use multiple tools and technologies to deliver mobility. So there is no doubt there is value in mobile solution, but probably we are not at that stage where we just can use one solution to deliver everything. So probably the strategy would be that based on the business units or use cases, we use whatever technology is appropriate and then learn from experiences, and then eventually maybe sometime in future have one platform to deliver all mobile solutions.
I think it's probably also key to make sure you're regularly reviewing that, anything to do with mobility, probably much more regularly than you would review other technology areas. So, you know, almost once a month, checking that the assumptions on which your mobile strategy was built, whether it did support this, it didn't support this, that worked, that didn't work, are changing on a month-by-month basis. So what was a very sensible decision 6 months ago could now be, well, actually, if I'd known that, I'd be going down a different path. So I think that's important to be keeping a very close eye on that, how things evolve.